National and international standards provide the imperative for palliative family caregiving in serious illness. Most of that education and training happens one-on-one in the context of home visits. However, emerging evidence supports alternative settings. In this study, we used translated and culturally adapted modules from the End-of-Life Nursing Education Consortium, or ELNEC, core curriculum from ELNEC Mexico that had been administered to mixed audiences of professionals and family caregivers in Mexico, but had never been evaluated with U.S. Hispanic Latino family caregivers. We invited them to the southeastern United States, where they administered 4 of the culturally adapted modules that had been continuously adapted to the local context, and we measured pre-post comfort levels and solicited narrative feedback as well. I'll draw your attention to Table 2. There is a range of increase in comfort levels from pre-post. The lowest increase in comfort came in Table 2, line 3, caring for someone with serious illness. That was a 26.7% increase. And in Table 2, line 2, that was the largest increase in comfort, talking about the end of life, which represented a 40% increase. Participants also stated that they would like to learn more about herbalism in palliative care, as well as more information about care in the final hours of life. They also stated they would like to have more time for discussion to share experiences. Our findings indicate that this population is interested in learning more about this topic. Please contact me with any questions.